Morning, everybody. Hey, we're out towards the beach this morning. Look at how calm the Pacific is. Not big surf today, just about 2 feet. 63 degrees right now downtown, 59 in the San Bernardino, and 54 up into Victorville. So pretty start to the morning. A little bit of a northeast wind going on. It's not very strong, but we're still drifting offshore for us. So I think the interior areas do pretty well about warming up today. That low pressure area going to kick out of here. It'll be replaced by the high. So that should give us warmer temps today through tomorrow. But I think most of the warmth really does happen inland as that high slips over there. Then we'll kick out this high and this front will start to move through as we get towards the weekend and in the next week. That should bring us back some fall temperatures. Check it out. So for today, similar to yesterday, downtown 86, the beach is 77, Valley's 97. But look what happens. We start to slip down on Saturday. Now, look at Sunday, then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, mid 70s. We'll even drop into the 70s for the valleys. That looks really fall-like. For the IE today, 95. High Desert's 89. The mountains coming in at 67, 69 on Friday, and 69 on Saturday.